Hi everyone, let's make this double star origami craft paper. We are folding this printed craft paper first into half, then from its sides and make a triangular shape. Then cut it, open it and you will get a pentagon shape here. Fold it again, flip it and fold it from its sides. Basically we are making a mini pentagon shape at the center here. Now press it like this, open it from its sides and folding it. We are going to again fold it like this. Here we are making a mini star at the center. Gently press it, pull it and look, it is ready. We're going to give it further more shape like this and look, it's done. Look at these flower spinners. Let's make it using craft paper. We are folding a pink craft paper here. Flip it and again fold it from its corners. We are going to make heart shape like this and then we are going to make colorful hearts and we are pasting all of them like this. Tuck it inside and look, it is ready. Now we are making a circle paste stickers and then we are going to paste it on the flower like this from both its ends. Now cut the stick and cover it using hot glue gun and stick and look, it is ready. Look at this flower bookmark. Let's make it. Take a craft paper, press it and fold it from its corners like this. Now we are making crease like this, so fold it from all its four sides. Look, it is almost ready. Now we are going to make the petals of the flower. Fold it like this and look, it is ready. In this video, we are going to make fortune teller using craft paper. Take a paper, fold it from its four sides, make a triangular shape. Again fold it like we are doing here. Now put your fingers on four squares and look, it's ready. Look at this colorful pen stand. Let's make it using craft paper. Take a craft paper, fold it like this. Now open it and again fold it from its corner and make a square shape in the center. Then we are going to fold it from its corners like this and flip it and again fold it. We are going to tuck it inside, press it and you will get a shape like this. Now make colorful shapes like this and paste all of them together. Now we are going to cut the base, paste it as well and look, it is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.